So hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about how to do the IP address and MAC address binding in TP-Link router. So first of all, to do that, the first step is you need to find the IP address of your workstation. Second step is to find the MAC address of your wireless driver or Ethernet cables, which one you are using. And third one is to access the router, and then finally do the setup so that you can have a IP to MAC address binding on your router, so that your router can always give you the same IP address to your workstation. So let's get started. First of all, I need to verify the IP address of my router. So basically the IP address of your router is the default gateway. You can verify by using the command line tool. I'm using Windows operating system, so ipconfig is my handy tool to find the default gateway. So as you can see here, I'm using wireless adapter as a wireless LAN adapter. So the default gateway is 192.168.0.1, which is the address of my router. So I'm going to copy this one and then just paste here in the browser. As you can see, this is my TP-Link router. So second step is to find the IP address of my wireless LAN, which I can verify from here. So as you can see, 192.168.0.108 is my IP address. I need to copy this one as well so that I can do the IP to MAC address binding. And another step is to verify the hardware address. So you can use ipconfig/all command to verify or to read the hardware address, or also called the MAC address of your wireless interface card. So my MAC address for this adapter is this 19C28701. So I need to copy this one and I need to bind this address with my IP address. So this is the interface, first page of the router. So just to do IP and MAC binding, just go here and just add new, and this is the MAC address. Just you need to put the MAC address, and I need to bind this MAC address to the IP address 192.168.0.108, so that each time when I connect to the wireless of my home, I always get the 192.168.0.108 for my PC. So that's why I need to bind this one. I need to save this one, and it said that it is invalid. I think I missed the last character of this one of the MAC address, that is 5. So I need to complete this field and save, and just check mark on bind one, and then this is just enabled. Check on the enable one and then save. And another thing you need to do is go to the DHCP, and you need to also do the address reservation, so that your router DHCP server won't give the 192.168.0.108 IP address to the other workstation in case you are not connecting to the LAN. So for that case, we need to reserve that IP address as well. So I need to reserve this IP address to the 192.168.0.108 IP address. So I need to reserve this IP address for this MAC. So just choose enable in status section, and then just to save, and it's again invalid MAC address. Just paste 15. Let me verify it once again. So I think that is 15. Just save one, and it say it won't work until you reboot your router. Just go to the system tools, and then then just go to the reboot the router. So that's the way how you do the IP and MAC address binding for your workstations, so that you can always get the fixed IP address. Let's say you want to access your workstation from another computer or another PC. In that case, you always think that my workstation IP address is 192.168.0.108. You hit that IP address and you are good to go, because your workstation always get the IP address of 192.168.0.108. So thank you for watching.